On the right, we have the X7. On the left is the X7 Pro, and I have both running at 4K 30. The X7 Pro can do 4K 60, but since we're trying to do, pair things up fairly, I have both set to the same settings. And let's have a look at how stabilization works on both. I'm running down my trail here. It can get kind of slippery and rocky, so I'm just gonna mosey my way down here, but you can see how the OIS as well as EIS combo works together. Color sciences, I would expect them to be pretty much identical. How's that going? So let me try running again. How's the stave on this? Not too bad, right? Here you go. Let's see. You got that right there. You can see the ice. Let me try to snap a picture. Directly at the sunlight, how is haloing? I'm gonna snap another one. Boom, there you go. It seems like, from what I can tell here, the Pro has a little bit of a purple halo ring, and it has a smaller, seems like the sun has less of a glare, but it is what it is there. On screen, at least right now to the viewfinders, the X7 is running a little bit dimmer and darker, while the X7 Pro is more true to life. You can see my audio as well as I switch between left and right. Right now they're all at default settings aside from the 4K 30 adjustment for the Pro. Again, I did that so we have some fair ground between the two, because the regular Pro or the regular X7 doesn't do 60 frames per second. All right, now we're testing the selfie cameras. How's the red on this canoe looking like? So on the screen right now, the Pro looks more true to life than the more washed out version on the regular X7. Anyways, we're checking out the EIS on this, image quality, background blur, exposure, and all that such. And you can tell me what you think down below. Now we're in the bright sunlight. At face value right now through the viewfinder, the exposure is more spot on the Pro. Well, it's quite washed out on the regular X7, but we'll see once everything, the processing is done, the final results that you will see, whether there's any difference there. But what I'm seeing right now is quite a big difference. So in terms of composing your shot, the Pro gives you more realistic feedback. Now we're focusing on this tree trunk right here, and in terms of detail and exposure and just color, both are pretty spot on. And from what I can see, the bokeh, let's see, the Pro is nice, and also the regular one is nice as well. But check out that iceberg. This thing is not supposed to be there. It's usually like flat water, and something has pushed that way up here. Yeah, check out. So we're on the Penobscot River. This is a tidal river connected to the ocean. And every winter we got lots of icebergs as well. But I've never seen one this big, this close, which is really darn awesome. And there's more over there as well. Anyways, what do you think of the quality of the video? Again, I'm going to point at the sun. There's a bigger glare, at least on the display on the X7, and a much nicer sunshine, just glow on the Pro. So whatever it's worth.